Hi everyone, this is Vani.
I'm Shivnaren.
In this video, we are going to explain what is ocean acidification and its effects on coral reef. Ocean is nothing but salt water. Any solution can be categorized into acid, base and alkaline.
So Mom, how can we find it?
A measure of acidity and alkalinity of a solution can be measured using pH scale. pH stands for power of hydrogen and the scale ranges between 0 to 14. The pH value less than 7 are acidic, the pH value more than 7 are alkaline and equal to 7 are usually base. To understand the concept clear, we are going to do a simple experiment with different liquids.
We are using these strips to measure the pH levels of the solutions. It ranges between 0 to 7, 7 to 14. This is the pH color scale. We're going to dip the strips into the solutions. Let's now measure vinegar. Vinegar ranges between 2 to 3. That means this is acidic. Let's now measure tap water. Tap water ranges between 6 to 7. That means this is neutral. Baking soda ranges between 9 to 10, which means this is alkaline. Liquid soap ranges between 7 to 8, which means this is alkaline. Now I'm clear with the concept of acid, base, alkaline and pH.
Very good. Now let us see what is ocean acidification. Any surface water are naturally alkaline, example ocean and pond. When the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mixes with the surface water, it increases the power of hydrogen, that is pH, and it naturally turns the water to be acidic. Now let us find out this with a simple experiment. Step 1.
I have taken water in this plastic cup.
Step 2.
And before the experiment, let me check the pH level of the water.
Step 3.
I'm adding baking soda and vinegar to this inner cup.
Step 4.
Close the lid. This solution puts out carbon dioxide, which is absorbed by the tap water. Let's wait for a while.
5.
Open the lid. Let's check the pH level of the acidified water. Let's wait for a minute. Now let's compare the two strips. This is the pH value of the tap water. This is the pH value of the acidified water.
We have seen what is ocean acidification. Now let us see what are its effects on coral reefs. Coral reefs are major supplier of oxygen for the ocean life, like as Amazon forest on land.
So you mean corals are trees?
Not actually. Corals have characteristic of both plants as well as animal. Its skeleton structure is made up of calcium carbonate and skin made up of polyps and tentacles. The algae which present on the tentacles gives colors to the coral, and this algae will supply food for the corals using photosynthesis, and during night the tentacles catch the prey that lives on the water. And because of acidification, these algae will die and the coral lose its color. This is called coral bleaching that is happening right now in the world. And you all know the corals have higher lifespan of no other creature, and when there is an end of coral, we should be very careful, and it could be end of human extinction too. So we have to save our ocean and our environment. Do you promise, Shivnaren?
Yeah, I promise, Mom.
Thank you.